So how to deposit money on Lloyds Bank? So there are a few ways to deposit money on Lloyds Bank, but the most common one is if you know your Lloyds Bank sort code and account number, you can go ahead and transfer the money in from another account using those details. And if you don't know what your sort code and account number are, if you open up the app, they'll be displayed right here and also on your Lloyds card as well physically. And another way you can transfer money in is, the good thing about Lloyds is obviously the branches. So if you head into your local branch, you'll be able to deposit money into your account from the Lloyds help desk. And on top of that as well, you can also pay in at cash machines, as many banks have cash machines that will deposit money into your account for you. Obviously, just follow the on-screen directions and feed the appropriate number of notes into the self-service slot. And lastly, another method worth mentioning is you can pay money into your account at the post office. Obviously, keep in mind, if you're going to pay by post office, many post office branches may have their own maximum deposit amount. But if you want to pay by post office, you'll need your account details and the equivalent total that you wish to deposit in coins or in notes. And that pretty much covers the basics. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.